Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add, change or correct your address on your Access Bank account. Sometimes the address on your Access Bank may need to be updated or corrected. Reasons you may want to update your address include: 1. You have moved to a new residence. 2. Your current address on the account is incorrect or outdated. 3. Your BVN records or other official documents do not match your current address. 4. You need your account to reflect your correct address for bank correspondence or card delivery. And then finally, you want to ensure your address matches for loan applications, debit/credit cards or utility bill verification. So if any of this applies to you, this video will guide you through the step-by-step process on how you can add, change or correct your address using the Access More app. So guys, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Access Bank app. So let me tap on it now to open it. So once you open it, the next step now is to log in. So in case you've not started using the Access Bank app, if not registered or if not activated it, I've already made a dedicated video to show you how you can activate or register on it. Just go over to the description of this video, you will see the link right there. Tap on the link so you can learn how to register and activate the Access Bank so you can start using it to carry out your transactions on a daily basis. Now once you open up the app, so let me input my password, then let me log in right away. Let me tap on sign in. You can see now it's signing me in. So I've been signed in. Now the next step I have to take now is to tap on the profile icon. You can see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then the next step now is to tap on change personal data. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. Then now what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see type. You can see it up there. So let me tap on type. Let me tap on it. Then right here, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see address. You can see address down there. That's the second to the last option. So let me tap on address real quick. Then right here guys is where you can be able to add, edit or change or correct your address. So let me go ahead now to provide my new address. You can see where it is written address right there at the top. So you have to tap on it, then you'll be able to input or type in your address. So let me tap on it right away to input the new address that I want to reflect on my Access Bank account. So let me type it in. So just type in your new address right there. Once you type it, then you're good to go. So let me quickly type in mine. You can see now I've inputted my address. So the next step now is to upload my electric bill or my utility bill. So whichever one that you have, you can upload it right there. You can see it is written utility bill and it's required. So now for you to upload your electric bill or your utility bill, you can either tap on the camera icon or the gallery icon. So what I will do now is to tap on the camera icon to show you guys how you can take a picture of the electric bill or the utility bill. So now you can see the camera icon right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me quickly tap on it. Let me tap on it real quick. You can see it says allow Access More to take pictures. So let me tap on allow. Then right here you can see behind my camera is my electric bill, so I can go ahead to take the picture. So let me go ahead now to tap on the capture icon. You can see now that let me tap on good. So right then I can see my utility bill or my electric bill has been uploaded right there. But in case you don't want to use your camera and you want to select the electric bill from your gallery, maybe you've taken the picture already before now, then let me delete this. Let me delete the electric bill to show you guys how you can do it. All you have to do is to tap on the photo icon or the gallery icon right there on the right. So let me tap on it right away so I can show you how you can select from your phone gallery. Let me tap on it real quick. Then here is my gallery. So let me scroll through now to look for the electric bill. You can see I've seen it right there. So let me tap on it now to select it real quick. Let me tap right there guys. Can see I've selected the electric bill again. So let me tap on continue. Let me tap on it. Then what I have to do now is to input my 4GD transaction pin. Let me tap on it real quick. Let me type it. Wow guys, can see it's loading up. It's still loading. Let's wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see it's written success. Customer update logged successfully. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to successfully update, correct or add my address on my Access Bank account. So guys, this is how I can do it, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, see you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.